When we grow up, these patterns they emerge especially in difficult conversations and very close relationships. And they kind of bring to the surface the beliefs that we have about ourselves, the fear that we have in life. These things start coming to the surface. And we kind of feel helpless because of a lack of agency, because we're not equipped to handle such a thing. And that is when we start wondering if there's something wrong with us. That completely guides our choices, our plan, our journey. So, as a child, you were trying to protect yourself and cope with a certain environment around you. That environment was uncertain, or that environment made you feel unsafe. So, to create a familiar environment when you become an adult, you actually recreate such a familiar setting in your workplace, in your relationships, where the same kind of drama, the same kind of problem, the same kind of narrative is again and again appearing. And therefore, I'd like you to notice those patterns which you think keep on repeating, where you think you act in a certain way, recreating perhaps that shame cycle, or recreating the minimizing cycle, or recreating the problem cycle. I want you to think about that. तो जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं तब हम अगर हमें किसी चीज़ से शर्मिंदगी होती है तो हम वही चीज़ जो है वो अपनी साइकिल में दोबारा रिपीट करते हैं, और वैसे ही रिश्ते चुनते हैं, वैसे ही काम चुनते हैं। सब कॉन्शियस लेवल पे हमारे वही पैटर्न्स रिपीट करते हैं जो हमारे बचपन में हम जिस तरीके से कोप करना चाहते थे, जिस तरीके के इन्वायरमेंट में, हम उसी इन्वायरमेंट को सबकॉन्शियसली क्रिएट करते हैं जब हम बड़े होते हैं। और ये एक तरीका है जिससे हम सबकॉन्शियस लेवल पे सोच रहे हैं कि तब मैं अपने आप को बचा नहीं सका, पर अब मैं अपने आप को बचाने की कोशिश करूँगा या करूँगी। So these patterns of recreating the same problem and drama in your life is a way to redeem yourself. Because at a subconscious level you feel that I haven't been able to do justice to myself as a child, but I'm going to redeem myself in the future. But without agency, without having a new wiring, you cannot do that. पर नई वायरिंग अगर आपके पास ना हो, या एजेंसी अगर आपके पास ना हो, एजेंसी मतलब वो सारा फ्रेमवर्क, वो सारा माइंडसेट ना हो, आप इक्विप ना हो, तो आप नई शुरुआत नहीं कर सकते हैं।